Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's discuss the program called Name of Square. Let's read the question carefully. Given an m by n matrix filled with x and o's, find the largest square containing only x and return its area. If there are no x in the entire matrix, print 0. Let's see with an example. Scroll down. Let's see the example. They gave input as 4 and 5, which contains 4 rows and 5 columns, right? And these rows and columns contains only x and zeros. And we have to find the largest value area of the matrix, largest area of the matrix. That means in this example there are 4x which have equal rows and which are in equal columns, right? Let's see here. Here in second row and second row last column, see 2 x's and down also 2 x's, which means its size is 2 and its area is 2 square, that means 4, right? And scroll down, you can see next example too. And here they gave just 3 and 3, that means 3 by 3 matrix they gave. And here x x x x, that means 2 rows 2 columns which contains the x, right? So its size is 2 and its area is 2 square 4, because area of a square is s square, right? So 2 square, that is equal to 4. Let's understand it better by doing some coding. Okay, let's see coding part. M comma n is equal to list of map of int comma input dot split. Here map means every digit we are taken into a list is converted into a int value, right? Because we are using int function here. So next, val is equal to int of split for I in range for I in range of m, because we have to take how many rows, that means how many rows are there, m rows are there, so those many sequences we have to take, so those many inputs we have to take, right? So after that, array arr is equal to 0 for I in range of n plus 1, for j in range of m plus 1. So we have to take those many zeros. Initially we taken m and n as 3 and 3, right? So n plus 1, so we have to take 3 zeros, that means 4, right? So 0 1 2 3, so 4 zeros. How many columns? We have to take 4 zeros in 4 columns, right? After that, length is equal to 0. Initially take len is equal to 0. After you can understand why you are using this variable. Okay, and next, for I in range of 1 comma length of array arr, j in range of 1 comma length of array of 0. If you have to take here a condition, if val of I minus 1 j minus 1 double is equal to is a relational operator, right? To find whether these two are right, that means these two are true, that means these two are equal or not. If these are equal, it's entered into the loop, otherwise it's iterates it, it leaves this condition group. And next in this we have to print array of I of j is equal to min of array of I of j minus 1 comma array of I minus 1 j and array of I minus 1 and j minus 1 plus 1, right? And actually we taken length is equal to 0, right? You have to modify it. Length is equal to max of length comma array of I comma j, I j. And why we are using this loop, let's see it briefly. Okay, initially we taken length of array. The length of array is we taken 0 by zeros 4 and 0 taken in rows which is in 4 size and in columns also 4 size. So initially let's take length of an array as 4, so 1 comma 4. So we get the how much size the matrix have, but we have to find the area of this size. So let's print. So we have to print this area, right? So length into length, that means s into s, right? Area of a square. So length into length. Let's see the output. Let's run the program. And here is the output which contains the size of 2 and the area is of 4, right? Okay, if you have any queries, you can check it in my, you can check the code in my description or comment section. Please make sure that you have been liked, shared and subscribed. Thank you.